Tired of manually adjusting filters across multiple dashboards? Let's create a single drop-down filter that controls visualizations across different data sources in Tableau. First, open Tableau Desktop and connect to your data sources. In this example, we're using Sample Superstore and a sales target dataset. Next, we need to blend the data sources. Go to the Data menu and select Edit Relationships. In the Edit Relationships dialog, choose Custom, click Add and define the relationship between your data sources using a common field. In this example, we are using region. This creates the link for our filter to work across data sources. Now, drag the common field, in our case region, from one of your data sources onto the filters shelf. In the Filter dialog, select All to display all regions. This will allow the filter to show all the values from the region field. To make the filter dynamic, click the drop-down arrow on the filter pill on the filters shelf and select Apply to Worksheets. Choose All using related data sources. This ensures that your single filter affects every sheet that uses either of the related data sources. That's it. Now, when you select a region from the drop-down, it will automatically update the visualizations across both data sources. This is a simple but effective way to create a unified and interactive experience for your users. Thanks for watching.